he would he'd help me put the worm on. He'd tie my lures on for me, and I'd get them stuck, and I'd lose probably 1,000 of them. I'm sure that was really aggravating.
Mm-hmm.
And he'd fish a little bit too while I was fishing. But mostly just drank beer. So that was fun. Then we drove home. So, and then that's about it. I was trying to make something up that sounded sweeter. That's about it. So my mom showed me love by telling me it was okay. My mom really was my guardian angel. She really wanted me to think that the world was okay, and she would always defend me.